Welcome back to your structured traders. Today is February 24th, 2021. Today we're going to be going over S&P 500 and also gold. I'm going to give you guys some major levels here on S&P. Wendy will go over the minor levels, and then I'll give you guys some levels on gold as well. We are still in a bullish trend on S&P 500. I am looking to see if price is going to get into those 58.75s and then maybe get a nice bounce of support from there. If not, I'm going to look for the market to come back down underneath these 60s and then potentially reject this area and fall somewhere around these 42.50s. That's my bigger levels that I'm looking for. Wendy will go over the minor levels that she has, and then I'll give you guys some levels also on gold.
Okay, I'm thinking this is bearish because it cannot break the 90 area with purpose and come back down and use it as support, because that is our last major resistance area. You can see what it did on the 23rd. Bulls were pulling it up, pulling it up, pulling it up, went up to a prior support at 98, but could not use that 90 as a bounce to continue it up. So I'm thinking this is bearish. However, I do have a support here at 61 and it's using it right now. But if it breaks below that 60, I am looking at a couple of areas of interest for a pop-up. The 55, that is a micro peak from the 23rd. Also looking at 51, 52, that is a support area. So we'll have to see if this 62 holds. If it doesn't, I'm waiting for it to drop down to those two levels.
Nice. Perfect. Let's go over gold here real quickly. You can see in a nice downtrend going on here. I do have a major level of support sitting at 1786.1, but we may actually just drop through. You can see a nice push straight down into that level. So we're going to look out for this level to see if we get a bounce and then a push right back up into 1791.9, or if we just fall right through and then pull back, reject these 86s, and then try to pull down deeper. So gold is pretty simple. You do got some levels of resistance past 91.9, which is 94.1, sorry, 94.4, 1799.7. Above that, 1804.5 and 1807.2. So we'll see what the market gives us right in this area. If we do get support happening, we could potentially look for a fade long. If you don't want to do that trade, you can look for the market to either gradually pull back up into these 1791s and reject that price level and try to get that move right back down in the trend to the downside. Or again, you can look out for this area here for that rejection and then a pull to the downside a little bit deeper. So with that, guys, let's go ahead and hop into trading for this US session.